When considering ways to improve your home's value, many homeowners think of kitchen remodels or bathroom upgrades. However, proper window installation in Talladega is one of the most cost-effective yet powerful ways to boost both property value and everyday living comfort. Windows do far more than provide natural light; they impact energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even long-term maintenance costs. Let's explore how correct installation directly influences your home's worth. Enhancing energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for buyers in Talladega. Poorly installed windows can leave small gaps that allow drafts, causing heating and cooling systems to work harder. This leads to higher utility bills and reduced comfort. With professional installation, windows are sealed correctly to prevent air leaks. High-quality insulation and alignment ensure that your home maintains a steady indoor temperature throughout the year. Buyers are willing to pay more for a property that promises lower monthly energy costs, making energy-efficient windows a clear value booster. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter in real estate, and windows play a big role in your home's exterior appearance. Crooked, uneven, or poorly fitted windows can instantly make a property look older and neglected. On the other hand, properly installed windows align perfectly with your home's design, creating a polished and well-maintained look. In Talladega's competitive housing market, curb appeal can be the difference between a quick sale and a home that sits unsold. Buyers often equate professional window installation with overall quality and care, raising your property's perceived value. Maximizing natural light and views. Windows aren't just about function, they also impact how a home feels inside. Proper installation ensures that windows open, close, and align correctly, maximizing natural light flow and outdoor views. Homes that feel brighter and more open are often appraised higher than dim, closed-off spaces. By letting in more sunlight, properly installed windows create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that resonates with potential buyers during home showings. Reducing long-term maintenance costs. Improper installation can cause problems like water leaks, warping, or difficulty in operation. Over time, these issues lead to costly repairs, which savvy buyers notice during inspections. Correct installation ensures that windows are weatherproof, durable, and low maintenance. This reassurance gives buyers peace of mind and allows you to position your home as a smarter, more reliable investment. Meeting safety and security standards. A secure home is a valuable home. Poorly fitted windows may not lock properly, creating potential safety risks. Professional installers use correct framing and hardware alignment to make sure windows are sturdy and safe. This adds to your home's market value since buyers prioritize safety features when comparing properties. Knowing that the windows are professionally installed helps them feel confident in the home's overall structural integrity. Increasing resale value. Ultimately, window installation is an investment that pays back at resale. Industry experts estimate that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their installation costs when selling. In Talladega, where seasonal climate changes demand efficiency and comfort, updated windows can make your property stand out. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for move-in ready homes, especially when big-ticket items like windows have already been taken care of. This positions your home as a low-maintenance, high-value option in the local market. Conclusion. Proper window installation in Talladega is more than a cosmetic improvement, it's a strategic investment that increases home value in multiple ways. From boosting energy efficiency and curb appeal to reducing maintenance and enhancing safety, the benefits are clear. For homeowners looking to sell in the future or simply enjoy greater comfort now, ensuring professional window installation is one of the smartest moves you can make.